how to use Fish Audio AI. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create an account on Fish AI and how you can actually use this AI tool. So to get started, first open Fish Audio AI. Click the profile icon in the top right, then select login or sign up. Click create account, enter your email and click continue. You'll receive a verification code, copy and paste it here. Then create a password and click register with email. You can save your password if needed. Now, let's explore its features. This tool offers API access for automation. And here is a large voice library for text to speech. And also we have a voice cloning feature. Now let's see the pricing plans. So basically, there are two plans. Free plan, 1 hour of ultra realistic voice per month and standard speed and 3-minute clips, but you don't have API access in this plan. After that, this is the premium plan, $6 and half per month. This includes unlimited web generations, priority speed, 30-minute clips, advanced AI models, and commercial use. Now, let's generate speech. Go to the text to speech tab, type your text, and select a voice model. Click create to generate speech. Also, there are some limitations like the free plan allows only 1 hour of voice generation per month and 500 characters per input. But still, it's a powerful tool. Additionally, for voice cloning, you have to go to the voice cloning tab, upload an audio file max 42 MB and click create. This AI is super simple and straight. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.